Hello and welcome to the TAS Morning Show. Here are the latest stories.
Oman has amended the executive regulations of the civil service law regarding end-of-service benefits for expatriates working in the government sector. According to the decision issued by the Ministry of Labour, the new rule is applicable for expats having permanent contracts in the government sector who have not completed 10 years of service. The decision is also applicable to new expatriate employees. The end-of-service benefit will be calculated at the rate of 1 month's salary for each year of service and up to a maximum of 10 months for those in grades up to 6 and 12 months for grades from 7 to 14. The minimum service period for end-of-service benefits has been revised in the rule as 5 years unless the termination of service is due to death or inability to work. A Ministry of Labour official has stated that the decision to increase expat work permit fees in Oman will help to regulate the labour market and reduce hidden trade. The ministry confirmed that the government will go ahead with its plan to increase work permit fees in specified categories and jobs that include leadership and supervisory positions, technical and specialised jobs, in addition to small and medium enterprises. Companies will now have to pay up to 2,001 Omani riyals to employ a foreign national in a senior role, while a work permit for a mid-level role will cost 1,001 Omani riyals. For the first time in 4 months, Oman has recorded the highest number of COVID-19 cases, with 1,059 positive cases reported in under 72 hours, according to data published by the Ministry of Health. The last time that Oman recorded the highest 3-day figure was on 1st of November with 1,300 COVID-19 cases. The Minister of Health, His Excellency Dr. Ahmed Al-Saidi, has expressed concern over growing numbers despite tough restrictions imposed by the authorities. Dr. Al-Saidi stressed on the safety of vaccines and has asked citizens and residents to not be reluctant to get vaccinated. Dr. Saidi also expressed hope that 200,000 doses of the Johnson & Johnson's vaccine would arrive in Oman by end of June or early July, and further confirmed that talks are underway to obtain more doses of the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine before the end of March. The Forbes Middle East has published its annual list of top CEOs in the Middle East, recognizing executives making significant contributions to the region's economies. And we're happy to note that the list includes 4 top executives from Oman, including Abdul Rahman Salim Al-Hathmi, Group CEO of Etihad, Raul Ritucci, Managing Director of Petroleum Development Oman, Talal Saeed Al-Mamri, CEO of Omantel, and Abdulaziz Al-Balushi, Group CEO of Oman West. And in local sports news, Dhofar Club has been crowned champions of His Majesty the Sultan's Football Cup for the 10th time after beating Al Suwaik 5-1 in the final match held at the Sultan Qaboos Sports Complex in Bausha.
Thank you for joining us on the TAS Morning Show. Follow the Arabian Stories for the latest.